In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open emoji panel or insert emojis in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To insert emojis or to open emoji panel in Windows 10 is pretty simple. Just go ahead and press a combination of Windows key together with full stop key on your keyboard, and this will go ahead and open emoji panel. From here, you can choose any emoji that you wish to insert to your document, and then it will be inserted as you can see here. The good thing is you can insert this into any document or any page that you so wish. You can use this in Notepad, Microsoft Word, Excel, or any other writing tool. So that's how you can open emoji panel in Windows 10. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.